In last few weeks, I am seeing a lot of children suffering from acute viral hepatitis. Now you must be wondering, what is acute viral hepatitis? So there are some viruses which specifically affect kids' liver. So especially in rainy season where there is water contamination is a lot, so it can lead to some viruses which enter through mouth and go in our bloodstream and affect the liver. The next question is, how as a parent you can identify that your child is suffering from that. So the thing is, most of the kids present like simple viral illnesses, like if your child is having fever, vomiting, loss of appetite, or sometimes loose motions also, he may be suffering from acute viral hepatitis. So what you need to observe, if his loss of appetite is too much, or if you feel his urine is persistently yellow colored, and after improvement of fever you can see some yellowishness in the eyes, that means probably your child is suffering from acute viral hepatitis and you must meet your doctor immediately. So what you should expect if your child is diagnosed with acute viral hepatitis? So the good part is, more than 90% of the kids resolve by themselves without any specific treatment or some mild supportive treatment, diet changes and all those things. But a very important thing is to keep on checking their liver condition continuously. So depending upon the condition of your child, he may require admission or the treatment can continue at home also. But a very important thing is, you should never ignore getting routine tests done so that doctor can monitor condition of the liver. If there is any problem, then doctor will tell you accordingly. And a very important thing, please avoid indigenous medicines. If you don't know what is there inside the medicine, it can affect liver adversely. So please take care of your kid this monsoon.